What's up guys? I hope you guys been having a good day. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing my own personal car, my 2018 BMW 440i M Sport Coupe. Now this is a very beautiful spec, sapphire black and red interior. And the spec is something I cover later in the video. Now, after owning this car for 8 months, I have experienced this car in a variety of different scenarios. From long windy roads to grocery runs and late night shawarma runs. I have owned this car for a pretty long time now, and I'm extremely happy with it. It's really comfortable for long road trips and gets great gas mileage in Eco Pro. But the second I flick it into Sport Plus, I can gap 95% of cars on the road. Now you might say that's a stretch, but I've done enough scientific experiments to tell you, trust me, you need a G80 or something faster to beat this car off a dig. Now this is an upgraded MPPSK 440i. The B58 on the M Sport 440 or 340 have a more aggressive pops and bangs map and have a light stage 1 tune. If you're in the market for a F32 440 or 340, make sure it has the MPPSK option. This exhaust gives this engine a more refined, or should I say exotic note. Pops and bangs are straight up gunshot level around 5.2k RPM. I'm talking 5 to 6 extremely loud bangs. But if you're around the 3.1 to 3.5k range, you enjoy some 1 to 2 nice crackles. And those small pops that you get, they're not really the gunshot level loud, but it's loud enough to be enjoyed without being fully obnoxious. This exhaust, it's just like the word I'm looking for, it's palatable. It has lots of depth and flavor compared to an off the map tune. And the funniest thing, put this car in Eco and the exhaust is more quiet than a Prius. No joke, unless you floor it, this exhaust makes zero noise in Eco Pro. Speaking of Eco and Prius, the B58 engine on this car was actually used in the Toyota Supra. So if it's reliable enough to meet Toyota's reliability standards, then it's actually a pretty reliable engine. I got a check engine light in this car once, and I swear to God, it fixed itself. The B58 is the only engine in the world that can do that. I also love how efficient it is as well. Hats off to BMW for the way that they tuned this engine. And let's talk about the handling next. The handling on this car is very good at high speed. The steering feels precise and dialed in. This car is very quick to turn in, and the way it changes lanes is actually insane. You can feel the grip very well. Albeit you can't feel the texture of the road as much as something like an E92 M3, the all-wheel drive system gives you more than enough confidence in the turns. So you get the potent power of a B58, the advanced X-Drive system putting the power down, and an amazing steering rack. Did I also mention that this car looks beautiful? Traditional BMW styling, 2-door sports coupe, but since this is a long-term owner's review, it's only fair that I put some things that I hate. First is the heads-up display, alright? I completely hate the heads-up display in this car. Stock from factory, it's way too bright and sits up too high. It also isn't as informed as the M cars and doesn't come with a shift light. Second are the keys. I genuinely hate this generation of stock factory BMW keys with a passion. So for the solution, I got these awesome big turbo keychains from our website at aestheticcorsa.store. They're made from premium materials and are built to last. I just love fidgeting with this thing in class. These keychains add a lot of personality to your boring keys while showing your love for cars. Make sure you guys check it out. Link is in my bio. Finally, I hate the cheap feeling pedals on the back of the steering wheel. This is a very premium luxury sports car, and as drivers we interact with the shift pedals every day. So why does this car share the same cheap feeling pedals on a 428i? Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it half as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. I'll be covering more of the 440 on this channel, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on my next uploads.